Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of the Crypto Wave. This is me, Jolly V, and we are here to analyze the markets since a month ago or so when I posted the last video. We will keep on doing it with our private indicator Market Killer A and Market Killer B. So on the daily time frame, we have Bitcoin trying to get out of the no trend zone. Previously, when I posted the last video, we were on the bull trend. We had just posted the big buy warning sign. Since then, we pumped up into the 22k where we found some resistance and then we went down and we are on a no trend zone right now, which I think we might be breaking out of. As you can see here on Market Killer B, we are still trying to get into a bullish trading zone that is pointed out here on the green. So if we are able to pump above the 21 and 800k, the trend will flip bullish and we will have our continuation pump and hopefully a bear market rally. Zooming in on the 4 hours, we are still at a bear trend, but as you can see, we are about to flip bullish if we pump above 21 and 100k. Looking at Market Killer B, we are getting out of the bear trend zone. This is the short-term band of action. We are getting above it, and here on the Market Killer A, we are still pumping and getting above the short band of action zone, which was acting as resistance. As you can see here, we pumped through it, but then we fell again through it, and then it behaved as resistance for the price. And if we trace a trend line from here to there, you can see that we were about and we were due for a breakout, which is happening right now as we speak. We are at 20k and 300, which is really good sign. If this pump continue, like I said, the trend will flip bullish. Today we'll do the same as the last video. We'll look at the chart with the ADX, NDI, RSI and also some Fibonacci levels. The RSI is really up right now. We are pumping into a golden pocket level for shorts. By drawing a Fibonacci level from 22k down into the 18k level, we get this zone, golden pocket ratio, which was acting as resistance. The golden pocket ratio for the shorts was acting as resistance and we weren't able to maintain our pump above it for too long right here, and then we pumped here and we were rejected. So right now what is happening is that we are pumping above it. Let's switch from the Akanashi candles to the regular ones so that you can see more clearly that we are trying to pump above it and maintain it. So if the next candles we are able to maintain and hold the golden ratio as support, we should expect a pump into the 38.2, and then if we are able to break this resistance, we should expect a pump into the 22k, and the trend on the 4 hours will flip bullish, and hopefully on the next days on the daily it will flip also bullish. Looking at the ADX and DI, also in the RSI, you can see that both are pumping, so the bull trend is gaining some momentum, even though the ADX is down here. So we should expect this bull trend to slow down a little bit, and if the ADX is able to gain some more steam and go up, we should expect a continuation of a pump. And this red DI, the bear trend, it crossed below the bull trend, so this is why we are having the pump. And if we draw a trend line from here to here, you can see that momentum is diminishing, so we need the momentum to pick up. Maybe it will get here and the bull trend will take off some steam, maybe rest here on the golden pocket ratio, like I said before, which could act as support. And if it does act as support and the bear trend doesn't cross the bull trend again, we should expect a little pump that I was talking about up until the 38.2, and maybe, who knows, we can reverse the trends. So, but for now the RSI is a little bit too high, and looking at these last levels, it went down, but let's see. Maybe we find some support here and we are able to shift the trend. Also, we will take a look at the 1 weekly chart, where I've been charting something special. Looking here at the past cycle, we had this triangle formation which we broke below it, and then when we were able to pump above this resistance, this is when you could say that the last bear market ended here, and we extended the triangle up until here, up until the 20th of July, somewhere around it, 20th of July, 21. Then we were able to break above it, we tested it as support, and this is where the craziness of the bull market started. So by drawing this trend line, this support trend line, which is a legacy one for me, which has 1 point, 2 points, 3, 4, 5, 6, a lot of touching points with the price. So for me this is a legacy trend line which is now acting as support, and we are respecting it and trying to draw something similar to the last bull cycle, I drew these two trend lines. So this would be the trend line if this was the only top. I draw it from here to here. It doesn't have too many points of contact, but so this is why it's dotted. And this is a trend line from the final top, from here to here and here. This one is touching more points on the price. So as you can see, let me switch it to the regular candles. We are holding the legacy support and we broke above this resistance, which it has 1, 2, 3, 4 points of contact with the price, so it has its trend and we are trying to break above it. And regarding this other trend line from the first stop until here, so we are entering this zone between both lines where they cross, and I'm expecting that the price should behave somewhere around here inside these two lines. Looking at the ADX and DI, the momentum for the bear trend is slowly coming down, and who knows, maybe the bull trend will start slowly coming up and the momentum will pick it up in the coming weeks, reverse the trends. Looking here at the RSI, you can see that we have a trend line here and another trend line there. So both trend lines were traced from the first top of the RSI and the other one from the second top of the RSI when we had our bull cycle top. So these two intersect here, and also the RSI has been behaving between both, and right now we are breaking above the legacy one, so we are breaking above it. That's why I'm expecting a pump, and I'm expecting a pump up until here to the 30k. This is regarding the weekly, so this will take time to develop. Who knows, maybe up until January or February we will have that pump, but who knows, it's crypto, it's wild. The global economic situation is fucked up, and crypto will follow the other markets. Well, they can always get worse, but they can always get better too. Let me just show you one other thing. So if we put this on the logarithmic scale, we see that the legacy trend line is still being respected and we are a little bit far from the bottom of it. We could also have a dump down until the 15k, 14k level, and then we should expect to move inside this triangle, respect the trend line. Who knows, maybe we have a wick down, and then maybe break this resistance, and on the next year we should start pumping up. So these are the scenarios that I'm looking at. These are the different scenarios that I'm looking at on the 4 hours, on the daily and on the weekly, and mostly I'm bullish about Bitcoin, so I'll keep on tracking the markets and posting you guys new videos. See you guys on the next episode of the Crypto Wave.